Hello everybody, this is Banerjee Naidu, instructor of Mathematics M1. Now we have to discuss the topic double integrals in polar coordinates. In this, we have to change the original function to polar coordinates. That means here our original function was generally double integral of dx dy. Now this dx dy changes to the function f of r theta dr d theta. While changing the figure of at r equal g of theta and r equal h of theta, by varying at theta equal theta 1 at r equal g of theta and theta equal theta 2 at r equal h of theta, by dissolving integral double x dx dy to f of r theta dr d theta. Coming to this, where r is required as from this function, given function, we have to take x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. Then we have to change dx dy with f of r theta dr d theta. In area enclosed by plane curves, we get finally the function of f of r theta as area equal double integral r dr d theta. This is the required function for using the when the question is given with a circle, ellipsoid, conicoid and cardioid. So coming to this, now we take an example. Evaluate double integral of r cube dr d theta over the area bounded between the circles r equal to 2 cos theta and r equal to 4 cos theta. Here r equal to cos theta means it is lie on x-axis. So we draw the circles r equal to 2 cos theta, r equal to 4 cos theta. By drawing this, we got the over area bounded between the r equal to 2 cos theta and r equal to 4 cos theta. In this figure, we have to find out the required area. So to find out the required area, we have to take from initial O to one line, which was strip was here happening, PQ strip. By this strip, we have to solve the required area shared between r equal to 2 cos theta and r equal to 4 cos theta. At initially r equal to theta equal 0 and at ending point theta equal to pi. So from varying r limits, at initial p point r equal to 2 cos theta, at final q point r equal to 4 cos theta. Now coming to the area, required area, I equal to double integral r cube dr theta, where theta varies from theta 1 theta 2, which was 0 to pi, and r varies from r1 to r2, which was 2 cos theta to 4 cos theta. Now by solving these equations, we get here r cube dr means it is in the form of integral x power n dx equal to x power m plus 1 m plus 1. By varying this formula, we get r power 4 by 4. 1 by 4 by constant, so we put outside. By solving r power 4, we have to integrate this. Then we get 4 cos theta whole power 4 minus 2 cos theta whole power 4. By solving this, we get 15 cos power 4 theta d theta. We know that in intermediate, we have a formula when it is in the form of integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power n theta and d theta. Then its value is n minus 1 into n minus 3 into n minus 5 by n into n minus 2 into n minus 4 into pi by 2 when if n is even. Otherwise, if n is odd, here we get 1. By using this formula, we have to take this required equation. So to get pi by 2, I multiply into 2 and divided the functions with pi by 2 and 0 by 2. 0 by 2 means 0. It is also known formula. Integral a to b cos x dx means n into integral b by n a by n cos x dx. By solving this formula, we get here, now we get equation 0 to pi by 2 cos power n theta d theta. Now we substitute the formula, then we get 4 minus 1 3 into 4 minus 3 1 by n into n minus 2. That means 4 into 4 minus 2 into, here 4 is even, so we take pi by 2. By solving this, we get 45 pi by 2. Now coming to second example, find the area lying inside the cardioid r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Coming to the figure, we have to find area between r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta and r equal to a circle. Cardioid between circle. Cardioid means this figure BOCD. This is the cardioid and circles ACEB. From this two, we have to find out which was the circle outside the circle and inside the cardioid. This is the region between outside the circle and inside the cardioid. For this, we have to find area. For the given questions, r equal to a n, r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. We have to take at initial OP dash limit which was at circle point. So we get R equal to A, and at final we get OP which was A into 1 plus cos theta. And here theta limits are vary from 0 to initial to which was the figure ends between this line y line. So we get 0 to pi by 2. Now seeing the figure, we get here upper side of the part and lower side of the part. That means between two regions we are considering equations. So we have to take required area equal to 2 times of area of shaded region dBEC. So now we have to apply 2 into integral 0 in theta equal 0 to theta equal to pi by 2 and integral r equal to a to a into 1 plus cos theta r dr d theta. By solving this we get r square by 2 which was not a formula, x power m plus 1 by m plus 1. By solving we get, by take out the constants, we get a square into integral 0 to pi by 2 into 1 plus cos theta whole square minus 1. By solving this we get finally a square into integral 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta d theta plus 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 cos theta into d theta. We are getting this. So we already know by using formula integral 0 to pi by 2 cos 4 nx dx equal to n minus 1 into n minus 3 into n minus 5 by n into n minus 2 into n minus 4 so on into pi by 2 where n is even, otherwise 1 where n is odd. By solving these equations we get a square into 1 by 2 into pi by 2 plus 2 into 1. Finally we get a square by 4 into pi plus 8. By using these formulas we have to solve the given equation to polar coordinates from the area given figure. Thank you for listening.